doing? Hey? Hi, Bruiser. Where's Emery? Go see, where's Emery? What's he doing over there? He's looking at you. He's looking at you. And he's so excited. Oh my, look at that. Whoa, look at you. You're doing Russian split jumps already. Maybe you're going to be a gymnast. Hey? Oh boy. Henry. Where's Bruiser? Where's Bruiser? Bruiser, where's Henry? Go see. Go see. Oh, who is that, Emery? Who is that? Say hi.